Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
You want to try rice cereal? You're 4 months old. Yay. Okay, ready? Let's see.
Open it up.
Here you go.
Look how old I've gotten.
Yeah.
He likes it.
Oh, no, he does not like it.
I'm so old. I'm so old. Oh. Does he like it? Yep. Does he?
What do we think?
He's giving his face at it.
What do you think?
What do you think, Charlie? Oh, he don't eat it. Audrey, the last time he fed a baby,
Would you please be quiet?
Audrey, look.
It's not about you.
You don't like it?
Mm.
Stop playing with the bit. And this